Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 3 of our series on building an image generation agent. If you haven't seen part 1 or part 2 yet, I strongly recommend it. You check them out first. We have already built a foundation of our app and wired up the core image generation logic. Quick recap of part 2. In part 2, we left off after creating a UI based on the Figma landing page. Here what I did, I took a screenshot of the landing page and used Google Stitch to convert that into a working UI template. Now, in case you haven't used it, Google Stitch is an experimental prototype from Google that turns static images into structured UI components. From there, I imported the auto-generated design into Figma, where I refined the layout and added a new sections and customized it to the match the functionality I had in mind, all with the help of prompt-based design editing. Bringing the UI to the life with Firebase Studio. Once the UI was finalized, I copied all the code, moved into Firebase Studio, another prototyping tool from Google. Firebase Studio takes both the code and the prompt and modified the app logic to match my desired functionality. My goal, straightforward. When user clicks the generate button on the web page, it should trigger the image generation agent web page. And how it's work? It clicks the button, route the user to the another web page to create the image generation, and the rendering process is gonna take the from one page to another page. And behind the scenes the prompt is sent to the fast API backend, which interacts to the set of image generation providers like Google Image 3, Black Forest, and Flux. Custom options and prompt structure. User can choose the image generation model. That's very important. The way we have given the flexibility to create a image depending upon the image generation providers. User can choose Google Flux and Black Forest Lab AI image generation options, and he can choose the landscape or portrait. I have defined the various way he can take his image and provide a custom vision prompt so user can give his own imagination thoughts and all this back into a JSON payload along with native prompt to generate the final image. Let's test the image generation app. For testing, I have given it a challenging vision prompt, a lion playing with water bubbles. It is intentionally abstract because I wanted to see how the agent handled the imaginative prompts. Now we all knew this models doesn't understand like we do, but what they return can still be surprisingly creative and visually stunning. And what's coming in part 4? In part 4, I will show you how I generated music using a similar approach and how I plan to integrate the media generation into the same fully interactive multimedia experience. So you can see to create a image and create a music and then create a video using that image. And now it's your turn. What kind of application do you want me to build next? Drop your ideas in the comment. I'm always up for a challenge and would love to bring your concept to the life. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on the new builds, AI tools, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and As always, thanks for supporting the channel.